Welcome to an exclusive look inside Sabrina Carpenter's stunning home. The Grammy-nominated artist opens the doors to her personal sanctuary, giving fans a rare glimpse into her private world. The entrance sets the tone with its warm wooden accents and contemporary design. Natural light floods through large windows, creating an inviting atmosphere from the moment you step inside. The living area boasts high ceilings and an open-concept layout. Plush seating arrangements and designer decor reflect Sabrina's sophisticated taste and creative vision. The kitchen features professional-grade appliances and a spacious marble island. This is where Sabrina likely prepares her favorite meals and hosts friends during gatherings. A striking staircase serves as a centerpiece, with elegant railings and a dramatic chandelier. The architectural details showcase the home's luxurious attention to design. The master bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with its serene color palette and comfortable furnishings. Large windows provide breathtaking views and fill the space with natural light. This spa-like bathroom features a freestanding tub and modern fixtures. The elegant design creates a relaxing oasis perfect for unwinding after a busy schedule. The expansive closet showcases Sabrina's impressive wardrobe collection. Designer pieces and organized display reflect her status as a fashion icon in the music industry. A professional home studio allows Sabrina to work on new music without leaving home. State-of-the-art equipment ensures she can create hit songs in her own creative space. The home gym provides everything needed for maintaining her physical health. With her demanding tour schedule, having a private workout space is essential for the artist. The outdoor space extends the living area with comfortable seating and ambient lighting. It's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet evenings under the stars. The backyard features a stunning infinity pool surrounded by luxurious lounge chairs. Lush landscaping creates a private paradise ideal for relaxation and hosting summer gatherings. A dedicated home office space allows Sabrina to manage her career responsibilities. The thoughtful design includes everything needed for songwriting, interviews, and business management. A cozy reading nook provides the perfect spot for quiet reflection. Filled with books and personal touches, it reveals Sabrina's intellectual side beyond her musical achievements. The walls showcase a curated art collection and personal photographs. These pieces reflect Sabrina's artistic influences and the personal memories that shape her creative journey. The dining area offers a beautiful space for meals with family and friends. Garden views create a peaceful backdrop for everything from casual breakfasts to intimate dinner parties. Even the laundry room features high-end design and functionality. This often overlooked space demonstrates the thoughtful attention given to every corner of the celebrity home. As our tour comes to an end, we see Sabrina's home in a whole new light. This glimpse into her private world shows the hard work and success that has shaped her incredible career.